Talk to me, man. What's your name? Where you from?
Garen Foster from Phoenix, Arizona.
What you doing out here in Mexicali, bro?
Just dropping my truck off, trying to get some good work done.
So, how'd you hear about us?
Through your YouTube page, man.
What's up, bro? Not a lot of white guys are as brave as you that come straight out here like that.
August, Mexico. I never have a problem down here. It's good.
You're not
Go
afraid
right down.
You're not afraid of getting robbed by the cartel, bro?
Look, cartel's got the money. I don't need to rob my ass for it. Shit.
That's everybody's question.
Right.
Are they gonna steal? Are they gonna rob me?
Fuck no, dude. I spent 48 miles, about an hour driving through Mexico right now because I went the scenic route. It's all good.
Okay.
Everybody's friendly down here.
And what's your vision for your K5 here?
Well, it's a K10.
K10.
Fucking nice. And I came down here because I can't get nothing nice in Phoenix. So I decided to come down here and check it out and see if I get something nice done.
How long have you been trying to do your truck in the States?
This truck I haven't. Other trucks, I don't know, probably about 4 different trucks with shit work done. So over the last 10 years I've had multiple trucks built.
Okay. Man. What kind of concerns did you have before you came out here?
Not really too many concerns. I've been to Mexico many times. It's all good. You know, I mean, getting the truck across the border, but as long as you got registration, title, and the truck starts up, you can drive it right, bring it right in on a trailer. If it don't run, it's a little bit more complicated. He'll have to help you out with that.
Exactly. So, tell me a little bit about the details of what we're gonna do to your truck.
Body off. We're powder coating, we're chroming, we're lifting, doing interior, LS swapping it. We're gonna make it a bad bitch.
What you have a lot of details, like you will chrome, a lot of chrome underneath.
Oh yeah, leaf springs, drive shafts, and powder coat the axles.
6.0 engine.
6 liter, 4L80. Get some air conditioning, hopefully. It's fucking hot.
Well, the good thing is out here in Mexicali, and even in Arizona, we're all pros that put an AC on everything.
Oh yeah, definitely.
All right, brother. Well, thank you, man, for the business, and we'll definitely do a lot more of your cars.
Oh yeah, man.
So this guy was a full frame off, and what he was telling me, he goes, I want the same details you guys put in a lowrider to put it to this. It's gonna be a big lift kit. His leaf springs are gonna be chromed. His flecha is gonna be chromed. All chrome accessories, red engine. It's gonna be gray with the white in the center, like old school style. All red transmission, all red interior. It's gonna be beautiful. ¿O cómo se comunican para hacer aquí, para que traigan sus carros?
Pues hay que hablarle a Albert. Albert es el que recibe ahí las llamadas y ya nos ponemos de acuerdo ahí con él. Aquí está el email, no me molesten.
Arre, pues al mero mismo.